This video is for general information only and is not a substitute for advice from your GP, pharmacist, or other healthcare professional. Which foods are the best natural sources of CoQ10? Organ meats and oily fish, like beef heart, sardines, and mackerel, are the richest options, whilst plant-based foods like spinach and nuts contain more modest amounts. Let's explore what that means for your diet. Your body produces CoQ10 naturally, but that production slows down as you age. So understanding where it comes from in your diet becomes more important over time. CoQ10 is found in almost every cell in your body, and it has two main jobs. First, it helps your mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses inside your cells, produce energy. Second, it acts as an antioxidant, protecting your cell membranes from oxidative damage. Organs that work hardest, like your heart, liver, and kidneys, tend to have the highest concentrations. Now, certain chronic conditions, including heart failure and diabetes, have been associated with lower CoQ10 levels. And if you take statins, it's worth knowing that these medications can reduce CoQ10 levels because they work on the same metabolic pathway used to produce both cholesterol and CoQ10. That said, please do not stop or change your statins or any prescribed medicine based on anything you see in this video. Always speak to your GP or pharmacist first. So where can you find CoQ10 in food? Animal-based sources provide the richest concentrations by far. Organ meats like beef heart and liver sit at the top of the list. Oily fish, sardines, mackerel, and salmon are also excellent sources. Regular meat and poultry contribute as well, though in lower amounts. Plant-based sources do contain CoQ10, but considerably less. Spinach, broccoli, nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils all offer some, just in more modest quantities. Here's something important to understand though. The average Western diet provides roughly 3 to 6 milligrams of CoQ10 per day. Clinical trials investigating CoQ10 for specific health purposes have typically used doses far higher than that, so diet alone may not reach the levels studied in research settings. If you're thinking about whether your CoQ10 intake is adequate, it's worth having a conversation with your GP, particularly if you're on statins or managing a condition associated with lower CoQ10 levels. And if you're considering a supplement, please speak to a healthcare professional first, especially if you take warfarin or blood pressure medication, or if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, as CoQ10 can interact with certain medicines. To recap, CoQ10 is essential for cellular energy production and acts as an antioxidant. Your body makes it, but production declines with age, and your diet can help support your levels. Animal-based foods, especially organ meats and oily fish, provide the highest amounts, whilst plant sources offer smaller quantities. And remember, never stop or adjust any prescribed medication based on information from a video. Your GP or pharmacist is always the right person to guide you. Have you ever spoken to your doctor about CoQ10? Drop a comment below. I'd love to know. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the Bolt Pharmacy channel for more evidence-based health content.